Start with the greatest name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. Hello, friends. I am Mansur Ahmed Mangi from Sun University Campus Tarkana. Today we will discuss about what is the artificial intelligence. We discuss briefly that how actually artificial intelligence work and what is the futures and how its component. So first we look up for the outlines of the artificial intelligence. We will discuss about the introduction, what is artificial introduction, and second we discuss about the history and the current states, what's the goal of artificial intelligence, and also applications, advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence, and lastly we will discuss about the future scope of artificial intelligence. The what is artificial intelligence? The simple what is artificial intelligence is the decision making by humans and utilized by a powered machine. Artificial intelligence can enable the human to focus on parts of their rules and that add more values. Means artificial intelligence is a provide to human to the work easily and more commonly used by the mechanical system. The artificial intelligence we will discuss step by step. First, we discuss about the what is artificial. Second, we discuss about the what is the intelligence, and we commonly connect the both things. The what is the actually artificial intelligence. The first we discuss about the what is the actually artificial. The what is the artificial. The simple made by human skill, produced by human purpose, like artificial powered, means it is the simple components of machine. They are simple called artificial, that designed by the humans. Animation should can be artificial, like the matures of the spontaneously forced convert like figure of the artificial smile, therefore efforts with the manners of artificial speeches made without regard to the particular needs and suggestion personalities. Means it is the most unremarkable artificial rule that can declares the biology based on the artificals all the arts art which is given by the artificial intelligence. Mean a simple art of any machine or any figure, there it is called simple artificial. So then we connect artificial into the intelligence. Means intelligence has been defined in many ways to capacity for logical understanding, self-awareness, learning, emotional knowledge, and resourceful planning, creativity, criteria, thinking, and the more problem solving that can be used in the intelligence. More generally can be describe the ability to approach the enter of the information and retrieve it is knowledge that can be applied to what adopt the all situation periods and within the environment to the taxil system. Intelligence is the most often studied in the human but has also been discovered into the machine system. Means is also covered by the both thing intelligence of that can. Means the human totally think about the what is actually machine do and all the intelligence we can add on to the machine system. So that is the called the intelligence. So now we look up about the what is the artificial intelligence. Means here is the both thing is connected. Means artificial intelligence is a wide ranging branch of computer science convert that can be perform tasks to be the machine capability and the perform tasks by the typically required human. Means a work which cannot do the humans the machine easily can do, that is called artificial intelligence. Means a machine which is almost work like a human, that is going to be the artificial intelligence. The artificial intelligence is sometimes called the machine intelligence. Intelligence can demonstrate by the machine unlike the natural intelligence displayed by the human animation. Means a machine totally work by the human system. It is a more reliable and more efficiency thing to convert all the machine felicity into the human system. What is the artificial intelligence doing to that? So artificial intelligence is a simulate of the human intelligence by the machine. Means artificial intelligence is convert all the human thing into the machine system. So there are the three questions which are given by the artificial intelligence: the ability to solve problem, the ability to relational, and the ability to act like human. Means there are three things we discuss briefly. So The first thing is the ability to solve problems, and there are five things coming into the ability to solve problem: goal formulate, problem formulate, initial state, action, and transmission model. So the goal formation, it is the first simple step problem solving. It is organized the step sequence required to the formulate one's goal out of the multiple goals as well action to achieve the that goals. The goals formulate is the based on the current situation and that agent performs measure of the discussion of the whole system. And the problem formulate is a problem, it is the most important step of problem solving, means which decide that action should be taken to the achieve the formulate goal that can be followed under five components that involved in the problem formulate. And we coming to the initial state, it is also work on the agent toward. It's like all the goal can be work on the basic level, means it is the solve problem by the startup. We basically start off the initial state of that can be ability to solve problem, and that is going to be the action. Action, it is like all the machine can be doing to the actionally work, means it all the solve problem by the physical typically of the operating system, sorry, artificial intelligence. So the transfer model, it is also give you the concept of model, mean it can create a simple model of any artificial intelligence machine learning. So the second thing is relational ability. A machine can relational ability, think or not think. There are two questions coming into the relational ability: action relationally and thinking relationally. Means a machine can perform both tasks about the relationally. In an action relationally, if we are going to say that the given program think like a human, we must goals given on the briefly system. Means a system action relationally means that the action to achieve one's goal given one's beliefs or to understand about the world. Means the agent or system that provides the environment and acts within the environment system. Means a machine system coming to the environment and all adopt things which are given into the environment. Means it adopt anything which is add on the environment. It's totally convert into the machine system. There can be that intelligent, that agent can be discovered of the relationship. Then goal, there are three basic approach in artificial intelligence. Action relation means is also to achieve goals given the proofs of the making current efficiency. Sometimes part of being a relational agent because of the way that act relationally. Means the reason logically to the achieve the given action will achieve all the human act which is the definitely based on to act on that. So the machine can think relationally. Yes, if you are going to say that the given program think like a human, we must have some way to determine how to human think, and we need to guidelines to the actual working to the human mind. There are two ways to do through the impossible trying to cast own cross, and that goals always achieved at the symptom of the once you have the sufficiency price. Theory of mind that can be because possibly expressed, that can theory of computer program if the measurement of the output and input system, that can be machine also think and relate all the machinery and do decision of it is a feed on the computer system. So lastly is the act like human. A machine can act like human. It is acting like human. That is the question. The acting like human comes primarily when artificial intelligence program have to interact with the people, as when is the system explain how come to diagnose or natural language of the diagnosis system. That process system has dialogue with the user. Means simply connect to the user. That can simply the all machine add on the human system, and it is also dialogue with each other, machine to the human, and communicate with each other. I mean, it is also like a human system that can be utilized into the machine system. So the early history of artificial intelligence. There are two scientists that can be work on the system of the animation of the artificial intelligence. The John Marathi 1955 developed the parts of the artificial intelligence in 1960, first LISF implementation in 1971, that called the Turing Award recipient. In 2001, the professor emulated sense that can be university also can be utilized in the system. In 1999, John McCarthy says that the term of artificial intelligence was first introduced. And it is in 1956 John Maroczy regarded all the father of artificial intelligence that can be utilized all the system talent, and they explain the other relationship maintenance that can be bring. We have invent the formatting of the determined summary research project that can be artificial intelligence from of the point that can be because of the Maroczy that the first would know the artificial intelligence how to it is going to the huge success of the artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is and that the growth of the work of the research then can be utilized more instruction into the artificial intelligence. So the second one is the Alan Turing. Alan Turing Alan Turing is a mathematician that asks the question into the artificial intelligence. Means it is that develop a question, or simply one question, that a question is that machine can think. The machine can basically think or not. So here is the first generate the question of artificial intelligence that machine can think. So this Alan Turing was a mathematical logically then can be computer scientist that can be widely considered to be the father of computer system. He was also homosexual in the time when the homosexual was the legally after his conversion was given the choice between the chemical choose between all the abilities. The Turing first special was the 2003 substance the review of the August. The first of Turing that was most properly used refers to the proposed method can be Turing. As was the dealing with the question, it is also meant that dealing with the question whether a machine can think. According to Turing, the question of whether a machine can think itself to magnifies to the deserved decision. However, if we consider the moral activity, that kind of game Turing described the emanation of the food system that can be utilized all the system, all the ability that can be used on the operating system. So, in this section, we will discuss in this artificial intelligence. We will discuss about all the security of the artificial intelligence. Means it combines the theory and the mathematician of the artificial intelligence. So here we coming to the current state of artificial intelligence. Means they are coming to the 3 section or the 5 section. The artificial intelligence totally covered healthcare, heavy industry and financial system. Means the saving the variety of problem patients, hospital, healthcare industry of the environment. And also is going to the heavy industry. The robot have become the very common and many industries can be as the repair to the task. And algorithm in the financial, the algorithm training was a market that can be algorithm training marks analyzing data many professional financial of the management system. So the in the basically healthcare, the robots are always everywhere. Robots are everywhere from science fiction to the your location, the hospital where are the changing healthcare for the most part. Their robots assembled to the from the Star Wars. The more they do not human body, but is making a big impact on the field medicine or medical. Robot is a big medicine help to recover the medical person from the routine tasks that can be their time away from the most professionally, and the making medicine providentially and suffer the loss costly patient. They can be also perform the accurate surgery or the place transport, diagnose substitution. Robotic medicine is a sense robot medical it is a sense to the monitor patient and virtual statement that can be art that can be utilized the process room and away the room robotic that can be utilized all the system which are going to the healthcare means a robot is covered all the healthcare system it all the mentality all the surgery or all the physician which is going to be totally add on the robotics means all patient is recovered by the robots and it is a very good thing to the change a new word about the robotic system. And we discuss about the heavy industry. The robot is a work everywhere. It is a work every institute and every organization. The robot can all totally adapt all the things. The global industry robotic marketing is a heavy industry. Report says that industrial robot help to manufacturing companies reduce the operating cost and many manufacturing of the US system that can be produced the more common low cost manufacturing and it's a work very cleanery from the human system and it is a work more heavy doing and it's the most useful from the human system. And also we discuss about the financial the roboting can also counting machine to the count all the monies which are giving to the banking system means the optionally requires the lost banking and financing companies that business through sometimes called a robotic process automation means this is a name robot automate robot process automation means the workforce of best software that can be utilized all the system all the basically current state of the human system that can be also count the monies or count the banking accounts and count all the customers account which are based on the financial system. And we also discuss about the aviation it's like aviation I think so. So the get allocation for plan while leading and it is also covered the education system means the robotic all the both features that the companies are create a robot for teach the subjects means robot can also teach the subject. So in evaluation that can be used robot aviation. It is aerospace companies that supplies the unmanned aircraft system. That unmanned aircraft system is a military and common use that company headquartered to the engaged upon the aviation technology. Part of the regional Norway that can be utilized all the facility to the plane and it is the plane is going to be the automatically run in the operating system that can be utilized all the system all the technology by using the airplane system or the aircraft system means heavy industry the aircraft system that can achieve the all the goals. And also the question is the robot can teach. Yes, robot can easily teach. Robot can play important role of the education the young people but they never fully respond to teaching. So the generation create a robot for the new study new suggestion right a science robotic mathematical robot social robots providing efficiency to teaching the certain of the nervous subject such like a vocabulary prime numbers but the current technically limited the particular around the speech recognizing system about the humanity. So here we discuss about the goals of artificial intelligence. The goals of artificial intelligence are very common and very useful. Means robot can planning, robot can natural language, machine learning also, knowledge representer, social intelligence and the problem solving. In a planning means a simple robot can plan that how we can work in the system, how we can work the use all the machine into the system. It is also feed on the robot that how to plan and how to recognize the system in the machine learning. And it is also natural language means it is also helpful for the communication. It talk everywhere and talk every else to the communicate all the natural language meaning it is a functional that can add the all languages which are you can see the Google speech just like the robotic can add the, all the languages that can be user or any customer or any human can easily understand all the language which they know about. And the machine learning, it is also machine learning means a robot can also work on the heavy industry, and I already told about that a robot can adapt everything into the heavy industry or any industry. Knowledge representative, it is also working by the teacher, that can be knowledge, they can be get knowledge and provide the knowledge system about the human system. Then the social intelligence means it can also work social activities, it work also social activities on the human area. And last one is the problem solving. Everyone know that computer, it is the best to the solve problem. You cannot solve the problem, the machine can easily and accurate answer of the your solved problem. So the application of artificial intelligence, we already discussed about the healthcare, education. The robot can teach, automotive, healthcare, and also we discussed about the finance, and it is also generate the video game. Means the business for the smoothing and the over process traveling industry. I already did aviation for the travel industry position. And social media storage means it is also work on the social media activities. It is all the application of artificial intelligence. And the advantages of the artificial intelligence means the chance to the error almost nil. It is chance to error, it is almost nil. It can be used to explore a scope depth to the ocean, and means it is the used to explore space depth to the ocean, means all the problems solved by the deeply. Smartphone are the best example of artificial intelligence, and it can be used to the time conservation and the efficiently machine do the required the sleep break, and the travel can be function without the stopping system. And we also discussed about the disadvantages of artificial intelligence. High cost, it's more expensive from the human, and the machine ethics no improvement with experience. It's also work on the same system and decrease the demand of human labor. Human also work less people, because machine can adapt all the things, all may be programmed sometime. This wasting means the program also can be disvesting, because we are knowing all the system that can be updated. So future scope of artificial intelligence means the future is a noun, its the impact is everywhere. The transporting, manufacturing, healthcare, education, media, customer service means it is also aid. The all robots are aid in the heavy industry, and all the system means a robot adopt all the system things, means it work everywhere. And the impact of society, it's also more impact on the society. How to return your job, narrow the impact of the work space. The job requirement is very null, because robot adopt anything helpful for the human world. The front end is impossible for the artificial general intelligence, and the robotic innovation motivation how to human might ends the real thing, means human do work from the robot is also flexible system. And lastly, artificial intelligence is going to change the world more than anything in the history of mankind more than electricity. It is the future. If you don't know the coding, you don't know the program, it is only going to get more difficult. Means you know the every programming system, programming language to handle the future scope of artificial intelligence. And it's the most impact the responsibly can be used, that however as be the quest with the most emerging technology, there is a real risk. Commercial and resource use can determine impact on the human goal system. It means all the impact, all the system you can deserve it. Thank you so much, guys.